You're probably gonna want to get this on camera. I don't want to do it. Dude, I don't want to do it.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay,
Come on, do it.
Give me a countdown.
I will, I promise.
Ah! Are we rolling? I'm gonna get the gum. Pull it right out of his mouth.
Wait, why are you running?
I got this one. Sweet.
She's just looking at it.
This is my theory, though, is that it's like a muscle.
Watch this. Dude, holy crap!
This is why I think we're getting stronger, you know?
She thinks it's stolen.
Yes, it was the black guy this time.
Because we're working it out.
There's nothing stopping us.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry.
That's just some redneck. How is this guy's problem?
Stop, are you crazy? Why did you do that? What the hell is wrong with...
Was it an accident, Andrew? Andrew? I'm worried about Andrew.
Listen to me. We can't screw around with this. It's too dangerous. Andrew, it's not a game. Andrew! Stop this right now!
Who's making that sound?
What is that?
All right, dude, we're going inside. Steve, wait up.
Matt, look at this!
Holy